Hey there viewers, welcome to a Short Tip Saturday. Today's topic, we're going to change a cabin air filter on this 2000 Buick LeSabre with a 3.8. Alright, so step one of this process is going to be to get parts. Here is the part number, if you guys are curious. Napa EnviroShield cabin air filter. And all we're going to do is we're going to dislodge these two tabs, just pull back gently on them, and a little trap door comes out, and inside you can see a rather crusty cabin air filter. So what you're going to see is the cabin air filter is actually folded over on itself toward the bottom. So when you take this little guy out, there's a release tab on the far left that you need to depress, and then you can grab the filter, and it isn't the most sturdiest thing in the world, and you can kind of pull it up and out. So you can see that this one's pretty bad. So the way this filter actually sits in there is you got the slot that it fits in right here. And then the filter kind of sits in it a little bit like this. So there's a space in the tray in the bottom where this is folded over, and then it kind of feels like it sits in the box like so. There's generally not a upside and a downside. You will notice that these are cut. It's not tore. So we want to make sure that our replacement part looks the same. So you can see this one is pretty dang dirty. So the next thing that I'm going to do that step's optional. We're going to clean this person's car out anyway. It's kind of dirty inside. This keeps them from getting a face full of dirt, kind of cleans the blower wheel out and all of that other good stuff. Again, it's really clean inside the car. Might not want to do that step. Your next step before putting the new filter in is to inspect your blower fan, the blower wheel. Make sure there's no sticks or rocks or any garbage like that. Tree leaves usually get stuck in that thing, can cause a vibration issue. So on this car, you can look down in there and see the blower wheel. It's pretty obvious. I just spun it with the end of my work light, and there was one leaf stuck in it, and maybe we blew that in there, maybe we didn't. But it's out now. I've tested it on high. There's no rattles, no vibration. We're good to put the new filter in. All right, unboxing video. We'll take our new part out. Oh, it comes with instructions. Huh. Fascinating. All right, so you'll notice on the filter that it's kind of got this step in it. So I'm assuming, yes, our new filter has that same step. So we're going to actually put the new filter in kind of like such. So it's going to need to bend around. Maybe this one's got it so you can put it in both ways. This thing's full of Trona dust. Gal works at a Trona mine. So anyway, at this point, we're just going to slide this guy in, and then we'll do the old bendaroo, and we're done. The install. Suspense has been building. This guy's we're just going to grab the end of it as best we can so we don't tear the filter. You do kind of wad them up a little bit sometimes putting them in, but I guess 'tis the nature of a felt-sided filter, I suppose. Oh, what are we getting caught on in the back? Oh, come on, baby. Atta girl. And gentle. And now, do the smush and fold. Okay. Wait for it. Give it a classic tuck. Okay. Alright. Kind of give it the old massage. You can feel the stop. There's that fan. You can feel the stop in the back of the box when it's installed all the way. Okay. Kind of give it the old tuckaroo. So, feel the bottom, make sure there's no gaps. Give her the fluff. I'll let you take a look. All right, so here you can kind of see how it fits in. You can see where it's bent, and then if you really carefully look up in there, you can see the the tail end of the filter is seated up against the back of the housing. So at this point, we're going to just put the cover on. Well, there you have it, folks. A cabin air filter replacement on your 2000 Buick LeSabre with a 3.8. Fairly easy job, probably takes you about 10 minutes the first time that you do it, probably less after that. If you enjoyed what we did here today, please make sure to subscribe to our channel, leave me a comment, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.